Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I'm doing a silk press on this all natural beauty. She's a 4C. I'm going to be providing her with a custom color. So I wasn't able to exactly be able to record my coloring process, but she is at her copper red level that I want her to be. Now I'm just going in, I'm doing a silk press. I'm going to get her hair silky smooth so I can go ahead and proceed and do her trim. Once I'm done with the silk press, as I said, I'm doing the trim right now, so I'm just going to even out those layers in her hair. She hasn't straightened her hair since she's done her big chop a year ago, so now I get a chance to see the dimensions and the layers that I want to create to complement the color. And all of that silky smooth fierceness, yes, she is loving it and I'm loving the movement. You would never thought this was 4C hair, guys. Now that I'm done with the cut and the trim, I got all the body I need. I went back in and gave her some more bounce so we can actually be playful with her layers. So if you're loving this style, feel free to book me at stylseat.com/beauty by Shanjour, or you can follow me on Instagram at beauty by Shanjour as well. I thank you guys for watching this video and I hope you guys love the results.